Welcome to this studio recorder video from the American Printing House for the Blind. I'm your host, Rob Meredith, a software developer here at APH. Today, we'll give you tips on using JAWS with Studio Recorder. The first thing you want to do is turn off keyboard echo with JAWS. The reason you would do this is because it's annoying to hear keys echoed when pressing them and trying to hear the response from Studio Recorder. For example, if we press space to play,
Chapter 1.
we hear the word space.
Characters. Space.
Introduction.
Space. Space.
If we press backslash to record,
Backslash. Document 4.
we hear the word backslash.
Document 4 star. Alt Control Shift O.
To solve this problem, press JAWS key with the number 6 on the top row of the keyboard.
Add new configuration dash add new configuration dialog. Application edit SR.
This opens the configuration manager, and since SR is the file name we want, we just press enter here.
Studio Recorder dash left bracket SR underline dot WAV right bracket SR underline dot WAV SR dash JAWS settings center dialog. Search box edit.
Now we type the word echo in the search box
E. C. H. O.
and
Type
tab
echo.
down to the list.
11 search results list box. Type in echo characters user.
Typing echo is the setting we want, so we press space until we find that typing echo has been turned off.
Space words 3 of 4. Space characters and words 4 of 4. Space off 1 of 4.
Off, that's what we want. Then we press enter twice to close the JAWS dialogues.
Preview. Type in echo off 2 of 11. Studio Recorder dash left bracket SR underline dot WAV right bracket SR underline.
Now, back in Studio Recorder, we can press space again to play,
Chapter 1. Introduction.
and we hear that we no longer have annoying key echo.
Studio Recorder is a powerful digital
We can now issue all of the Studio Recorder commands and just hear the results Studio Recorder gives instead of hearing unnecessary speech chatter from JAWS. Another issue that comes up when using JAWS with Studio Recorder is the way JAWS handles the arrow keys, specifically the left and right arrow key. JAWS tries to figure out what should happen when you press an arrow key, and that takes time. After the time is taken, JAWS speaks to the result, which is usually the word blank. So for example, if I press the right arrow key to navigate by pixel in the wave view in Studio Recorder,
Blank. 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 Blank.
we hear the word blank
Blank. 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 Blank.
every time we press the key.
Blank. Blank. Blank.
The same is true with the left arrow key.
Blank. 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 Blank.
To get around this problem, use F11 and F12 instead. F11 functions as the left arrow key, and F12 functions as the right arrow key, but they do not say the word blank after being pressed. So we can just hear the pixels being navigated. This is also helpful when holding down an arrow key to move a distance quickly, because JAWS bogs down when you do this with the regular arrow keys. But if you use F11 and F12, you can move quickly without having to wait. I was holding the F12 there, and you can hear the pixels being moved. If I hold the right arrow and let go,
Blank. 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 Blank.
JAWS gets behind and continues to issue the command until it's ready to stop. Finally, if you use the up and down arrow key often to navigate by sentences, you may want to switch to the time view to perform these functions. This is because JAWS says the word blank here as well. Let's try navigating by sentence in Studio Recorder in the wave view.
geared to making recordings of the spoken
I'll press the
word.
down arrow.
Such features include speed index tone generation and instant open on intercom functionality.
And we see that JAWS says blank
Simple
on every
user
sentence.
interface. Instant open on large
Now
files.
I'm moving back.
Index tone generation and 3 levels of phrase detect.
To avoid this, we can switch to the time view by pressing Ctrl-Shift-T.
Time view.
Now if we navigate by sentence,
Index tone generate. Instant open on large intercom functionality. Accessibility for blind.
we just hear the content instead of blank along with the content. If you want to switch back to the wave view after using these commands, you can press Ctrl-Shift-W.
Wave view.
This has been a Studio Recorder video from the American Printing House for the Blind.